Hi! In this video, we're going to talk about one of Git's most useful features, Git Worktree. Imagine Nina is completely focused on building a big new feature. The code isn't finished yet, several files have been changed, the project is full of work in progress, and it's still too early to make a final commit. Then suddenly, she gets an urgent message. There's a critical bug on the production server. Her manager says, "Nina, can you fix it right now?" Nina looks at her project and thinks, okay, with all these unfinished changes, how am I supposed to switch to the hotfix branch? She could stash her changes, switch branches, fix the bug, and then come back to her feature. But that means constantly jumping between two different work environments. This is where Git Worktree comes in. Git Worktree lets Nina create multiple working directories from the same repository. That means, without leaving her current branch, she can create a new folder and open the hotfix branch inside it. Nina runs this command. Now there's a new folder called hotfix response, right next to the main project folder. In the original folder, Nina keeps working on her feature branch. In the new folder, the hotfix branch is already checked out and ready to fix the production bug. So now, Nina has two completely separate workspaces. One for the new feature, and one for the urgent bug. No stash, no constantly switching branches, and no messing up her unfinished work. Nina goes into the hotfix folder, fixes the problem, makes a commit, and sends the changes out for deployment. Then she simply goes back to her original workspace. All of her feature files and changes are exactly where she left them. When she no longer needs the hotfix workspace, she can remove it with this command. So remember, if you're in the middle of an important task and suddenly need to work on another branch, you don't always have to stash your changes or keep switching branches. Think about Git Worktree first, because with Git Worktree, you can keep multiple branches open at the same time, each in its own folder. Without Git Worktree, every time you're working on a feature branch and suddenly need to make a hotfix, you have to switch branches. After fixing the problem, you switch back to your feature branch. If another bug shows up, you repeat the whole process again. So you're constantly jumping between branches, and it's easy to lose focus on your main task. But with Git Worktree, one workspace for your feature branch, plus another separate workspace for your hotfix branch. Both are ready to use at the same time. Whenever you need one, just open the folder for that branch and continue working. No switching branches, no stash, and no interrupting your unfinished work. If you're interested in practical tips about technology, software, networking, and IT management, stay with the Moshaveran group. We make technical topics simple, practical, and easy to understand.